classifying types of angles. So we've got 5 different kinds of angles, and we have to name each one. So if we look at the reflex angle, a reflex angle is an angle which is greater than 180 degrees, but it is less than 360 degrees. So are there any angles here which are greater than 180? That's not. This one is, because 180 would have this straight line going through there. It's more than 180, so we can identify this one as the reflex. Okay, so we've got one. The right angle, so the right angle looks like that, like an L, and always gets indicated with that little symbol, because you can see most angles, the angle is indicated by a curved line like this. But when it comes to right angle, it always has a square-ish kind of indication there. And you can see that's not it, that's not it, that's not it. This is it here, so this is the right angle. The straight angle is 180 degrees exactly, and just like the word itself, it says it's straight, so it's a straight line, pretty easy to see. That's it right there, that's the straight angle. Acute is going to be greater than 0 degrees and less than 90 degrees. So we're looking for something which is under 90 degrees, so it's not that one, that's over 90. That one there is under 90, so that's the acute angle. And obtuse, it's pretty simple really, it's just more than 90 degrees but less than 180, and that's this one here. It's more than 90, which is here, yep, something like that. So that is obtuse.